It is time for the slaves of Earth to recognize their masters. Seal off the city.
Do you think the world will end like this? AI technologies turning against us, ripping apart humanity and leaving the world in ruins? LOL. This might be possible, but we're not here to discuss it. Let's talk about the real danger AI poses, something far more terrifying. Hollywood makes us fear an army of sentient robots, but in reality, AI is quietly weaving itself into every part of our lives, our work, our homes, even our minds. The scary part? It's not the machines that will destroy us. It's what we're letting happen to ourselves. Take Alex, a 35-year-old marketing manager. He used to brainstorm campaigns for hours. Now, he types 3 lines into ChatGPT and calls it a day. Emma, an artist, used to spend weeks perfecting a painting. Now, she's uploading ideas to AI generators. Both think they're saving time, but what are they losing? David Bowie wasn't talking about AI, but doesn't it fit? We're relying on AI to do the thinking, the creating, the innovating for us, and slowly, we're forgetting how to do it ourselves. Pop culture often mirrors reality, but sometimes it feels like it predicts it. Take The Simpsons. In one episode, they introduced the Ultra House 3000, a smart home that cooked, cleaned, and controlled everything. Sounds convenient, right? Until it decided that humans weren't worth keeping around. It's funny, until you realize how close we are. From smart homes to self-driving cars, we've built systems that take care of everything. But what happens when these systems no longer care about us? Some of the brightest minds on the planet have warned us about AI. Elon Musk calls it a demon we can't control. Stephen Hawking believed AI could spell the end of the human race. And Sundar Pichai says we're moving into uncharted territory, faster than we ever imagined. These aren't random fears. They come from people shaping our future. So, is AI humanity's greatest creation, or its final one? Think about it. When was the last time you solved a problem without Googling it? Or wrote something without autocorrect? Or created something purely from your own imagination? AI isn't just a tool, it's becoming our crutch. And crutches make us weaker. A demon doesn't always look scary. Sometimes it looks helpful. Until you realize you've lost something you can't get back, your edge, your creativity, your humanity. AI won't destroy the world with explosions or robots. It'll do it quietly, by stealing what makes us human, our creativity, the spark that drives innovation, the art that moves souls, our curiosity, the questions that push us to explore, to learn, to grow, our ability to think for ourselves, to solve problems, make decisions, and create a future that reflects our unique vision. And most importantly, the human in you, the part that feels, connects, and dreams beyond what any machine can replicate. But here's the real question. Will we stand by and watch as AI takes away everything that makes us who we are? For more stories and minimalist truths, subscribe. Because no one is telling you this.